What do you see here? It's a screen showing the physiological status of a patient, right? And here? It's a traffic light showing the status of the road. If it's green, you are good to go. If it's red, you need to wait, right? How about this? It's a light you see outside an operation theater. So, what does it do? It lights up when the operation theater is occupied and there is an ongoing operation, and light turns off when the room is not occupied. So, this shows the status of the operation theater whether it's occupied or not, isn't it? All of these signaling systems are the real-life common examples of what we call Andon in lean manufacturing. So, what is Andon? Much like these signaling systems or a check engine light in a car, Andon is a system in lean manufacturing designed to alert operators and managers of problems in real time, so that corrective measures can be taken immediately. It originates from the Jidoka quality control methodology used in the Toyota production system, which empowered operators to recognize issues and take the initiative to stop work without waiting for management to make the decision. The origin of term Andon is from a Japanese word for traditional paper lantern. An Andon is one of the most common forms of visual management that is in use in lean. It is a highly effective tool as it enables the operation to run smoothly without any bottlenecks. Generally, Andons are the lighted signal like the traffic lights with 3 colors on top of each level of production assembly line. Whenever a worker detected any problem in the production line, or found himself unable to keep pace with the line, he could stop the operation by pulling a cord called Andon cord, which would set off an alarm system and illuminate the color-coded Andon electric light board. If the problems detected were not rectified within a specified time period, then the entire production line would stop, either manually or automatically. And if there is no problem, the Andon illuminates a green signal signifying that process can continue with the operations. In simpler words, any kind of signal showing the status of a system of a process and containing a message about it is called Andon. Let's see the Andon codes and their significance so the concept will be more clear. When the production is running normally in smooth condition, the green light is on, which means that there is no problem in production, and the workers are not facing any difficulty in their work, so no action needs to be taken, and the production can proceed to the next level. But when a problem has appeared in the production process that is not normal, the worker immediately pulls the yellow color cord which lighten up the yellow light along with some sound system to attract attention of the respective authority. This yellow light means that a problem has appeared, and as an immediate action the worker takes help of concerned authority to fix the problem. But when the problem is not identified yet after looking for it, and if the production has stopped for the problem, then the red cord is pulled or the red button is pushed which lighten up the red light. This is done when the problem is not identified and needs further investigation. The manager hasn't been able to correct the issue, so the assembly line stops until the problem has been corrected. These 3 color signals are broadly used in many manufacturing industries. However, some industries prefer to develop other color signals with specific meaning, such as white color, which may indicate end of production run, and blue color light, to indicate a defective unit. The warning light on your car's dashboard that indicates when the gas tank is getting close to empty is a simple day-to-day example of an Andon that we come across. There are 2 types of Andons, manual and automatic. Manual Andons are activated manually by the operator or employee in the assembly line by either pressing static button or pulling a cord. Automatic Andons are activated automatically on the conveyor when criteria fixed in the assembly line are not met or lacking. Initially, Andons were light signals in the manufacturing process to enable operator to signal the status based on the color. Today, visual displays are more sophisticated, however, their purpose remains the same, communicating efficiency and real-time status of the plant floor. You can see Andon in action at the Toyota car plant. Each car has a nearby indicator light traveling with it down the production line. That indicator light shows blue, green, and red lights. When a worker correctly tightens a bolt on a car, the light goes from blue to green and the car continues down the line. However, if a bolt is over-tightened or is left untightened, the indicator light switches to red and the Andon board turns orange on that section of the production line. If the bolt isn't corrected quickly enough, production stops and the team must gather to quickly resolve the issue at that portion of the production line. So, implementation of lean manufacturing Andon helps to improve transparency by encouraging immediate reaction to quality, downtime, and safety problems. Increase productivity by bringing immediate attention to problems as they occur in the manufacturing process. Strengthen flexibility by improving accountability of operators by increasing their responsibility for good production and empowering them to take action when problems occur. Reduce downtime by improving the ability of supervisors or operators to quickly identify and resolve manufacturing issues. And save costs and time by providing a simple and consistent mechanism for communicating information on the plant floor.